I think. Honestly don't know. I could have just screwed up my entire hive. So, I'm just gonna hope for the best. Farming can be frustrating. I'm crying because I got smoke in my eye. Look, why don't I just do it and then I'll show you. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna put in the smoker. About a week ago, I decided I was going to dive into my new beehives. At this point, I had no idea what I was even doing. I had to even Google what to put in the smoker. Ready? Let's go smoke some bees. Oh, where's my knife? You can tell how prepared I was. I couldn't even find my hive tool. They're not angry yet because it's not open. They're just flying around. So that sound and that feeling is actually quite hard to get used to. The bees flying around. Everything in your body is telling you to run away, but we're going deeper. I need to go grab some proper paper. This is not working. This was my first mistake. I had read online that you're supposed to use pine needles to try to start the smoker, but for the life of me, I couldn't get them to light. So I tried this chunky piece of cardboard that also didn't work, so I ended up having to go back to the house and get some paper to put inside. Okay, yes, I know the hives are tall, but I still have them on a stack of pallets from when I just slid them off the back of my truck. It's a work in progress. We'll take care of it later. The top super of the first hive had like no honey in it. I mean, there's a little bit of wax, but I guess it wasn't surprising because the previous owner of the hives had just added that super on top, so not really a big deal. I guess I just have to go deeper. So I'm gonna have to go into the other hive. Move that up so very buddy. Not ideal placement, I really. There, look at all these lovely ladies. Hello, girls. Yeah, this super was empty too. Look at that. Some fresh wax in there. Some squish girls, but some good girls. I'm gonna go down into the second super, see what I can see. I need to find my pry tool because I cannot get that open. Where's my pry tool? Look at her open. That is not my pry tool. I never actually ended up finding my pry tool. I just found something I could use to break inside. The pallet was so that I could have something sturdy to set the top super on when I took it off.
Yum.
You see in there?
Oh, hold on.
These are mostly filled out with comb already. Ooh, that one's nice and full. You want a nice and full one? Get some capped comb. I'm going to cut out a little bit so we can have some. I was trying to be super gentle, and I later learned that you can just brush or shake off the bees from each frame. Okay. That is back in. We got a tray with some honey. Bees on there. Get out of here. Leave them alone. made a wound. They'll end up gathering that honey that we just spilled and being able to use it. I think. Honestly don't know. I could have just screwed up my entire hive. So I'm just gonna hope for the best. But there is a little pile of honey. All said and done, we ended up with like 2 or 3 tablespoons of honey and maybe a 1/4 cup of wax, and that's not bad for the amount that I took out. Now I'm just gonna leave them alone for a couple months. I might feed them through the winter months. I'm hoping that they have enough honey to get them through, but maybe I'll give them some liquid here in the fall, but we'll see. And then I'm actually excited for springtime when I can just harvest all of my honey. You see that? You zoom right in. And the girls. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and consider sharing this video with a friend.